Alright guys, it is 3 a.m. or 2 a.m. right now, and this is Yakisoba that I got last night, so I'm going to do a quick taste test for you. So Yakisoba is like a sort of like a fried noodle sort of thing, so there we go. It tastes pretty good. It tastes nothing like the instant stuff that you get in North America. So the soya is slightly on the tartar side, and the noodles are basically ramen noodles. And it's just pickled ginger with some seaweed sprinkled on top. Let's try the meat. And that is pork belly. It's not bad, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, I was at the mall, Aeon Mall, and I picked up some chicken karaage. So I'm going to do a quick taste test for you guys right now. What do we got here? So this is it. Let's do a quick taste test. Now that chicken is really good. It's basically like a deep fried chicken without the bones or anything like that. It's super juicy. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.